Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 121. And then we are on Unit 4. So this is present perfect tense with how long, for, and since. So you may refer to pupils book, page 51 for further reference. And we use for plus a period of time. So for example, for a month, for 2 weeks, for 6 days, etc. And then we use since plus the exact moment when something began. So since last week, so this is the exact moment. And then since I was 6 or since 2015, etc. So as you can see here, how long have you been a dentist? So I've been a dentist for 50 years. So this is a period of time. And then no one has complained since 1975. So this is the exact moment. And then we go to down a bit. So this is present perfect with already and yet. And then you may refer to pupils book, page 52. And then we use already in affirmative sentences, or we call it positive sentences. So it goes before the main word. And then you use yet in questions and negative sentences. So it goes at the end of the sentence. So for example, I've already had lunch. So this is auxiliary verb, and then this is a verb in past participle. And then for this questions form, have you met your new teacher yet? So you will need to add this yet here, and then followed by a question mark. And then for this negative sentence, I haven't been to the gym yet. So as you can see, this is at the end of the sentence, and this goes before the main verb for this already. So this is a main verb here. So number 1, so we go to activity 1 here. So complete the sentences with how long, for, or since. So number 1, how long have you studied English? I've studied English, so this is 5 years, so meaning this is a period of time, so you need to use for. And then number 2, I've lived in this town, I was 2 years old. So this is the exact moment, so you need to use since. So number 2, since. And then number 3, he's only, so this is not is, so rather this is has rather than is. So take note on this one. So this is not he is, instead this is he has. So he has only been at his new school 3 weeks. So this is a period of time, so you will need to use for. And then number 4, she's worked here, so 2012. So this is the exact moment, so you need to use since. And then this is interrogative or questions form, so you need to use how long. So how long have you worked here? So followed by question mark. And then number 5, my grandpa has lived in his house a long time. So this is a period of time. You will also need to use for. And then number 6, have you been ill? So this is the interrogative form. So you need to use how long. How long have you been ill? I've been ill. So last Saturday. So this is the exact moment. You need to use since. And then we go to activity 2. Activity 2. You have joined a sports club. Look and write sentences with yet or already. So for this tick sign here and the cross signs. So tick sign will be in affirmative sentence. So you need to use already. And then for this cross sign here, you need to use yet. So this is a negative sentence. And then you will need to change the verb to its past participle form. So number 2. Number 1 already given. So I've already met. So this meet is a verb. So its past participle is met. So you may refer to the last page of this workbook to refer to the irregular verbs past participle. So we go to, met the instructor. Number 2, find a locker. So this is cross sign. So meaning you will need to use I. So I will write in full for this auxiliary verb. I have not. So found, find will change to found. I have not found a locker yet. And then number 3, see the swimming pool. So this is in affirmative form. So I have already, and then followed by past participle of see. So it is seen. So I have already seen the swimming pool. P-O-O-L instead of P-O-L-L. And then number 4. So this is negative sentence. So I have not. Okay, this is a positive form. So I make some mistakes here. So I have already. So have, you need to change to had. So maybe we have some confusion here. So basically this is an auxiliary verb, and then this is a verb. Main verb will change its form to past participle, had. So I have already had lunch in the canteen. And then finally, for this tick symbol here, we need to change to negative sentence. So I have not. So play, you need to add ed. So I have not played basketball in the gym yet. So this is, so maybe just now you didn't see this word here. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 121. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram board that I developed.